Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Mon-ara and today we will be making whipped body butter. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Body butter is a composition of butters and oils. Your butters are 80% while your oils, which is in liquid form, is 20%. Now for this particular whipped body butter, it is non-greasy, fluffy, deliciously yummy to the skin, lots and lots of moisturizing properties, perfect for troubled skin or dry skin, and also perfect for the season right now. But you can use it anytime you want during any season. Now, in no particular order, I am measuring my oils and butters. Every single ingredient for this particular project will be put in the description box below with the percentage. After measuring your oils and butters, you want to melt this using low heat. Make sure you use low heat, and once you see it's been melted, just take it out of the double boiler and let it just keep cooling down on your countertop. It doesn't matter if you have little bits of cocoa butter in your oils, as this would naturally melt on its own. Next, you want to freeze this for a couple minutes, put it in the fridge and not the freezer. I personally did put it in the freezer just because I didn't want to wait too long, but please do not keep it in the freezer for too long, as it will be hard for you to mix. Then you want to get your hand mixer or your stand mixer, preferably a stand mixer, as that will do the job much better. Start with low mixing and then gradually move on to the faster paste mixer. Now this takes a little bit more time than you might want to think. Now there is a level of consistency you need to achieve just to know you're there. At this point it is still dense if you look at my video, and then you know it is not ready. So you want to keep mixing it. Depending on how hard your butter was in the freezer, this might take a little while, but if you are using a hand mixer, please leave your butter on the countertop for a couple of minutes just for it to get to room temperature before you mix. At this point I am adding my botanical extract, which I got from wholesale supplies. I will put the ingredients in the description box below and where you can get it. It is oil soluble, so it's perfect for this project. So I measure that and I put it back to blend. Now while doing this, I would like to give you guys a couple of skin benefits of the ingredients I am using today. Cocoa butter is one of my favorite butters. It is actually rich in antioxidants and it's a deeply moisturizing ingredient. Also perfect for dry, itchy skin. Shea butter, on the other hand, another favorite of mine, reduces skin inflammation, helps reduce stretch mark, which is a yes for me, and is used in treating acne. Now this whipped body butter is not only for your skin, but it can also be used for your face and every other part of your body. Mango butter helps to treat dry skin, clears blemishes, fights off fine lines and wrinkles. Just look at how gorgeous that is. Totally melts in your skin and super absorbent. Fractionated coconut oil is ideal for dry or troubled skin and will not clog your pores. So it's perfect for blending with your essential oils, as it is odorless and colorless. Jojoba oil helps in skin repair, reduces redness, and then the secret ingredient is isopropyl myristate, which is an emollient. An emollient simply means that it has the quality of softening and soothing your skin, and it also helps to strengthen the skin's natural moisture and has high spreadability. So this body butter is not just going to be super thick on your skin, but when you put it on your skin, it absorbs so good. Your skin just takes all the goodness of the butters and the oils in it, and it just spreads so gorgeously, just like you're spreading butter or mayo on your bread. Trust me. Now at this point, you know your butter is ready. Once it comes off the whisk, so easy. So all you do is tap it, and you see it just leave the whisk without much of a fuzz. Then you know it's ready. See how fluffy it is. This point is totally optional, or this part is totally optional as to how to put it in your container. I personally like to go all the way. So you want to put it in a piping bag and then pipe it into your container. This also helps you get more of the body butter into your container, which I feel is ideal. Okay, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to, trust me. I just like to go a little extra. Alright, so you want to pipe this and your body butter is good to go. Use this morning, night, whenever you need a pick-me-up. Now for the essential oils I used, it's also totally optional just because I have it, and I like to use essential oils for its therapeutic purpose, but it did not add any particular scent to this body butter just because coconut butter smells a lot like cocoa, and you need a lot if you're going to change the smell. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and do not, and I mean it, do not forget to subscribe, watch my other videos, and please hit the notification button for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.